What is up? Joe here, and I've got another box to unbox for you. This time, it's the June 2018 edition of the Gentleman's Box Classic. This is my second box from them in the Classic series. Classic series being that it's a monthly club. Every month they send you another box to open up and peruse. And it goes for $25 a month for the Gentleman's Box Classic. However, they do guarantee that the items in the box are worth at least $100. And last month's box was really good, I thought. So let's go ahead and open up this box as well and see what's in it, shall we? Alright, and once you open up the box, it's got a little message for you. How to be a true gentleman. Look good, feel good, be good. Words to live by there. And it looks like we've got ourselves a little card here from Nina Marie Skincare. It looks like it's an offer for 20% off your first order. I might have to check that out later, see if it's any good. And first thing in the box is their monthly pamphlet. Every month they have a different theme that they try to curate their items by. This month they're honoring our favorite Guardian of Worlds. So that's going to be interesting to see. Let me show you a little closer of that. And these little pamphlets, they are really nice looking too. I mean, they don't cut any corners with these little pamphlets. They show off all the items that come in that month's box. And basically they show you what all the items go well with together. And so let's go ahead and open this box up. Let's see what's in here. A lot of times in their boxes, it seems like, this being my second box, but I've seen other unboxings of this club, is they send you a lot of times they'll send you a pair of dress socks or a tie. So this month they did send out a pair of dress socks. This is the boardroom edition from Dead Socksy is the name of the company. And it's a really nice looking set of dress socks, I think. Look at those. Real nice navy blue mixed with purple with some print on there. Definitely a nice sock there. I like that. I do kind of like the darker colors, and so this works well for me. Put that down. Next up, we have Jack Body Wash. Warm, woodsy, and naturally intoxicating. This is from Nina Marie Skincare, from that card we just saw a little earlier. Looks like it's a little sample there of body wash you can try out. So I'll be giving that a try later on, see if it's any good or not. And next up, looks like we have got ourselves, yes, this is a pocket square for your blazer. It's in a nice purple color. Go nicely with a dark blazer, I believe. I'll definitely have to hold on to that. Nice looking pocket square there. And, oh, look at this. Looks like we've got ourselves possibly a toiletry bag here. In a black vinyl, looks like. And this is from Falls for Men. I'll show that to you. Put your toiletry items in it if you have to go on a trip. Yep. Not bad. Nice looking little bag. they do seem to send some nice things in their boxes. And now, last but not least, we've got ourselves a little drawstring bag from the Little Link. Bet you these are going to be a set of cufflinks. Let's open it up and see if I'm right. Ah, ding, 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 and I am right. Oh, look at these. These are nice looking too. Nice set of cufflinks that they sent with this one. No tie this month though. That's all right. I don't have to send one every month. Let me show you these cufflinks here. It's a set of 2. And it definitely goes with their Guardian of the Worlds. It looks like a purplish color again on it. Actually, it looks almost like a picture from the solar system. Let me show that to you if I can. I don't know if you can see that real well or not. But very nice looking, I think. Very nice looking set of cufflinks. So let me just put these away. If I can get them back in the bag. And so another nice box from the Gentleman's Box Club. Classic Edition, June 2018. You might want to check it out, guys. Might be able to step up your game a little bit with this stuff. With the stuff that they send out every month. Check it out in my description. I'll have a link for the link to go to the company, and maybe even a code to use if you want to save yourself a little bit of money on it. Maybe save me a little bit of money on it as well, I think. And that's it for this month. Until next time, next month, y'all have a good one.